Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of fetal circulation. Today, we'll explore how a tiny human develops and receives oxygen and nutrients while in the womb. Let's dive in. At the heart of circulation is the placenta, a remarkable organ that forms during pregnancy. The placenta acts as a lifeline for the fetus. It facilitates the exchange of nutrients, gases, and waste between the mother's blood and the fetus' blood. The mother's blood delivers the oxygen and essential nutrients to the placenta. In return, the placenta helps remove the carbon dioxide and waste from the fetus' blood. Connecting the fetus to the placenta is the umbilical cord. This amazing structure contains the blood vessel that transport oxygenated blood from the placenta to the fetus. The umbilical cord has typically one vein and two arteries. The veins carries oxygen-rich blood to the fetus while the arteries carries waste-laden blood to the placenta. Once the oxygen-rich blood reaches the fetus through the umbilical vein, it encounters our first shunt, the ductus venosus. This vessel allowed to bypass the liver, sending it directly to the inferior vena cava. Now, let's take a look at the heart. The blood enters to the fetal heart through the inferior vena cava, flowing it to the right atrium. From the right atrium, the blood has a special path to take. Instead of going into the lungs, it flows through the foramen ovale, our second shunt, into the left atrium. The foramen ovale is the small opening between the left and right atria. This remarkable feature allows oxygen-rich blood to bypass the non-functioning lungs, ensuring that the fetus gets the oxygen it needs. Once in the left atrium, the blood moves into the left ventricle. This chamber is crucial because it pumps oxygenated blood out of the body. Next, we have the ductus arteriosus. This vessel connects the pulmonary artery, allowing blood to bypass the lungs and flow directly to the aorta. From the aorta, oxygen-rich blood is delivered to the fetus body, providing essential nutrients for the growth and development. After delivering the oxygen, the deoxygenated blood returns to the placenta via the umbilical arteries. This blood is then reoxygenated and the cycle continues. Have you understood our fetal circulation cycle? Let's take a quick recap. First, we have the placenta, which acts as a lifeline between the mother and the baby. It facilitates the exchange of nutrients and oxygen while removing the waste product. Next, we see the umbilical cord. This vital connector transports blood between the mother and the fetus, ensuring that the baby receives everything it needs. Inside the fetus, blood travels through the ductus venosus, a bypass that allows that oxygen-rich blood to escape the liver and flow directly into the heart. Blood enters the heart through the inferior vena cava, which collects the oxygenated blood from the lower body. Then, blood enters to the right atrium. Here, it prepares to flow to the next chamber. Through a special opening called the foramen ovale, blood can bypass the lungs and move straight to the left atrium, making the process more efficient. In the left atrium, oxygenated blood gathers ready to be pumped out of the body. Next, it flows into the left ventricle, the powerhouse of the heart, which pumps this vital blood to the aorta with the use of another shunt called the ductus arteriosus. This bypasses the lungs, directing it to the aorta instead. The aorta then distributes the oxygen-rich blood through the fetus, supplying all the developing organs. Finally, the umbilical arteries return the oxygenated blood to the placenta, completing the circle. And that wraps up our adventure into the fetal circulation. We hope you enjoy learning about how life begins in an incredible system at work before birth. Thank you for joining us, and let's continue to explore wonders of the world together. Thank you for watching!